What's going on, YouTube? Back with another market recap here. What's the date today? Today was Wednesday, December 18th, 2024. On Force Factory, I see we got FOMC at 2 o'clock and 2:30. So me knowing that, and I know how it gets in the morning session before FOMC, I'm already knowing, like, I try to be careful when I'm trading the morning session if we have FOMC that same day. So today I didn't take any trades. We can still do the market recap though. So let me go back to 9:30. Hold up. Let's go right here. Alright, so coming into the market, levels I was looking at, levels I was paying attention to. What do we have? We had this previous day low, and it really stood out on both indices. If you look at NQ, like, it's just by itself, and it's a long wick, so it really stood out to me. That's where I thought we were going today. That's where I was really paying attention to. And ES, same thing. ES, it was relative equal lows right here. Both of them stood out. So I'm thinking, okay, relative equal lows on ES. Got this wick on NQ, it just sticks out. Previous day low. I was looking at that and previous day high. No, not even previous. That's not previous day high. I was looking at this high right here, up here. And then I went to the 15-minute. Got these fair value gap. Before market open, I was looking at this fair value gap here as well. So what I'm expecting, probably a SMT at this level, or the fair value gap, or whichever one gets hit first, and there's SMT. That's the one I'm looking to enter a trade off of, right? So that's what happened in the market. Okay, so now you got two fair value gaps. Price came down here, like, I really thought like it was gonna sweep previous day low, but that's not what ended up happening. It reversed, so went to the upside, and then there was a SMT with this high right here on the hourly chart. ES took out that high at 745 high. ES took it out. NQ fails to do that. And NQ also tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap. Alright, so that's two confluences. Hold up, let me mark it out. Hold up. Do it for NQ, do it for ES. Alright, so you got that SMT, so now I can drive onto the 1 minute. Drive onto the 1 minute. There was an entry, but I'm gonna tell you the reason why I didn't enter. Alright, so I trade NQ, right? So we did get a market structure shift, and we had this break here, and we had this fair value gap. Now, there was two reasons for me not entering. The first reason was because when we got this market structure shift on NQ, I was looking at ES, and there wasn't the same like amount of displacement as NQ had. Like, ES didn't have a market structure shift until like right here. Damn, and looking at it now, I really should have entered, but it's alright though. Yeah, so that was the first reason. When NQ had the market structure shift, I looked at ES, and ES, it wasn't looking like too convincing, like it wants to go to the downside. And ES was the one that had sub liquidity, so I would expect ES to have displacement as well, since ES was the one that sub liquidity. So yeah, that was the first reason I didn't enter, even though we had the break in the fair value gap. The second reason I didn't enter is because I remembered, like, we have FOMC in the PM session, so trying to be careful, like, with trading in the morning session, because usually the morning session of FOMC day, like, it tends to be, what's the word, like, you get stopped out more often than a regular day. And since we got FOMC, I try to be careful, so I just told myself I'm just stay out, and that's what I did. So those are the two reasons. But like, if I was to enter though, could have entered off this break or this fair value gap. If I was to enter, probably enter when that fair value gap, put stop right there. First TP for me would have been this low right here. Then second and final TP, I'm gonna be honest, it would have been this low right there. So if I were to enter, I would have hit TP1, and I would have hit TP2. I would have been done for the day. But it's okay though, it's alright. I told you guys I told you guys my 2 reasons for not entering. Yes, I mean, even though like sometimes like NQ is the only one with displacement, sometimes ES it doesn't give me the same amount of displacement, I will still enter. But then again, like I said, you got FOMC, so I'm trying to be careful, you know. And you don't gotta trade every day. 1 to 2 setups should be good. You should be good. 1 to 2 setups a week, you should be good. So yeah, that was really it for today. And where are we right now? And we're right here. Yeah, so that was it for today. Let me know down in comments if you guys took a trade today. What did you take it off of? What was the reason for taking that trade? Make sure you like the video. If you got any questions, let me know down in comments. Make sure you guys subscribe if you want to keep seeing more videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.